intercept formula. So my y is negative 4. My slope, there's my x, and I don't know b. This would become, I'm going to show all my steps. Negative 28 divided by 4 is negative 7, right?
Mm-hmm.
Plus b equals negative 4. To get b by itself, I add 7, and I get 3. This cancels out. So now you know your slope and your y-intercept, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So you got, let's put it in this form first. That's slope-intercept form, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's subtract 7 over 4. Let's move the x to this side. Negative 4.
Yeah.
Let's get rid of two things at once.
That's what I did.
So that should be a positive 7x minus 4y equals negative 12. There's your standard form. And if you think about it, that's your a, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's your b. So a over b, take the opposite, and your slope was 7/4. Because they tell you that, so x equals 0 is this blue line, right?
Mm-hmm.
The point that the new line goes through is 1, 2.
So it's 2.
It's x equals 1.
Mm-hmm.
So how are you going to make a line that's parallel to the blue one, but goes through that red dot?
1, 0?
You were right the first time.
Oh yeah, x equals 1.
X equals 1. The line has to be like that.
Oh, I went horizontal.
So, in that case,
Wait, so why is
Eh.
that if y?
any point is going to be 1, no matter where it is. Like I could make a point, like you said the other day, 1 in 1,000 would still be on that line, right?
So was number.
I give you a point, negative 5, negative 1, and I give you the slope, m is 3/5. Do you know your b?
Yes. No.
Nope.
No, it's alright.
How are you going to find your b?
You plug it into the equation. Y
Yep.
equals mx plus b.
Do you want to wait to tell you what I got for you?
Okay, so you plugged in negative 1 here, right?
Uh-huh.
And 3/5 for the m,
Times.
negative 5.
Which would then equal
So-
15 over 5. Negative 15.
Which would be negative 3. So, Eliza, what's b?
B is 2.
Yep.
I was about to say negative 2, which is not right.
So your b is 2. Denominator's 5. So you multiply that by the 2.
And
That's how I got negative 10. But easiest way is probably just to subtract this. Subtract it over here. Add y equals 2. Multiply by negative 5. That way you know you won't mess up. And I still got the same answer, right?